They say the moon remembers every promise left behind. Under harvest moons, remember me when the cornfields sway like used to be. If time forgets our name somehow, let that golden moon remember me now. Old boots by the door, dust on the floor, radio hums that lonesome song. Mama's voice in a Polaroid smile, Daddy's hand still strong. Back when trucks ran on hope and gas, we chased sunset and never clocks. Summer nights on borrowed dreams, riding hearts on wooden docks. Time rolls on like a tired train, but love don't rush the same, yeah. Under harvest moons, remember me when the fireflies dance, wild and free. If your heart ever wonders how I loved you then, I love you now. I'm just a name in the fall wind's cry, or a shadow in September skies. I pray your soul still knows my tune, sung soft beneath that harvest moon. On harvest moons, remember me. Let it be young, let it be free. Not the scars, not the doubt, just a love we couldn't leave without. Some things fade, but the moon don't forget.
Yellow hands in summer green, wishes whispered, never seen. Dandelions of long ago blew our dreams in rows and rows. We didn't know which way they'd go, we just let them fly. Walk that fence where we once ran, boots a little heavier now than then. The field feels small, the sky still can hold me. Funny how the smallest things remember everything. Barefoot circles in the yard, counting stars before it's dark. Every wish was falling hard from our hands. Those dandelions of long ago carried hope we couldn't hold, every seed a story told before goodbye. Maybe some are growing still on roads we never meant to fill. Maybe that's the magic will finds a way. One deep breath, eyes closed tight, let it go. Dandelions of long ago taught my heart what letting go really means and how to grow. In the wind, yellow fades to silver gray, but the wish don't fade away. Yellow hands in summer green, wishes whispered, never seen. Dandelions of long ago blew our dreams in rows and rows. We didn't know which way they'd go, we just let them fly. I walked that fence where we once ran, boots a little heavier now than then. The field feels small, the sky still can hold me. Funny how the smallest things remember everything. Barefoot circles in the yard, counting stars before it's dark. Every wish was falling hard from our hands. Those dandelions of long ago carried hope we couldn't hold, every seed a story told before goodbye. Maybe some are growing still on roads we never meant to fill. Maybe that's the magic will finds a way. One deep breath, eyes closed tight, let it go. Dandelions of long ago taught my heart what letting go really means and how to grow. In the wind, yellow fades to silver gray, but the wish don't fade away. Hinges sigh in afternoon shade. Roses lean, the latch half bent. Every sound comes back my way. By the garden gate, echoes by the garden gate. Call me home, words we left in open air, never gone. I don't knock like I once did. Time's taught me where to sit. I wait a second, hear my name in the quiet. Funny how the open space holds a face. Running through with muddy shoes, mama's laugh, the evening news. We swing that gate a little wide, let the day come in. Echoes by the garden gate, soft and true, teaching me the way back in. There's always you. If I ever doubt this place or where I've been, I lean into that creaking sound and hear us again. Those echoes by the garden gate still remain, hoping every year I've lived like yesterday. Gate swings once, settles late. Echo stays by the gate. Wooden steps in a single boat, dust and beams, the air gone still. One small wheel won't turn no more. In the attic, a broken toy truck in the attic, rusted red, hauled my dreams from room to room. Before I knew where I was headed, boxes labeled keeping old. Funny what we never sold. I hold it like it might still run if I believe enough. Funny how the smallest things outlast everything. Gravel drive in the afternoon, dirt packed roads inside my room. I'd tape it twice, swore it'd be just fine. That broken toy truck in the attic never quit. It taught me how to carry on with a crooked wheel and grip. If I could win the years back slow and set that axle straight, I'd still let it break the same, so I'd learn how to wait. Toy truck in the attic still rolls on, and every road I've ever taken since that day was gone. Light clicks off, the dust settles down. Wheels rest quiet, but the road's around. Blades high in open air, sky spans wide, no one there. Every turn knows what it brings. Echoes in the windmill blades, echoes in the windmill blades. Call my name and then fade. Every sound's a memory, learning how to stay. Fence leans low, well runs dry. Same old wind, a different sky. I stand still, let the day turn me slow that way. Funny how the moving air keeps what's there. Cows would shade, noon would hum. Summer heat, the work half done. That creek above the watering tin kept us company. Echoes in the windmill blades never spoke too loud, just enough to let us know we weren't alone out there. If I ever fear the quiet or doubt the open land, I remember how that turning sound took me by the hand. Those echoes in the windmill blades ain't stuck in yesterday. They turn with me, reminding me to move, but stay. Wind slows down, blades still spin, echoes stay within. Hinges sigh in afternoon shade, roses lean, the latch half bent. Every sound comes back my way by the garden gate. Echoes by the garden gate. Call me home, words we left in open air, never gone. I don't knock like I once did. Time's taught me where to sit. I'll wait a second, hear my name in the quiet. Funny how the open space holds a face. Running through with muddy shoes, mama's laugh, the evening news. We'd swing that gate a little wide, let the day come in. Echoes by the garden gate, soft and true, teaching me the way back in was always you. If I ever doubt this place or where I've been, I lean into that creaking sound and hear us again. Those echoes by the garden gate still remain, hoping every year I've lived like yesterday. Gate swings once, then settles late. Echo stays by the gate. Note that never quite comes out. Dust and time and quiet doubt. It's been years since anyone played that old tune Papa used to say. Still leans crooked and frayed up there. Funny how a broken thing still knows how to sing. Broken harmonica on the shelf still hums a song I hear myself. Every bend and breath I felt ain't gone. Front porch nights, one lamp lit, slow blues drifting through the grip. He'd close his eyes, lean into it like a prayer. That broken harmonica on the shelf taught me more than words could tell. How to lose and still stay held by sound. Maybe it don't play so clean, but neither do most memories. Cracks let all the truth come free somehow. soft breath, one bent note, broken harmonica on the shelf, keeps the past inside itself. Proof a song don't need to be whole to help. But don't touch it, it still plays. Just dancing in the light, wooden desks and borrowed time, names and dates on fading boards, felt like forever back before. Chalk dust and memories on my hand, in my head. Lessons more than numbers are the ones I never read. Hallway echoes call my name, lockers rust but feel the same. I passed that school on my way home, slow down more than I let on. Funny how the smallest sign teaches the longest line. Missed the bus, erased mistakes, love notes folded in my book. Learn to laugh, learn to wait, learn more than the test we took. Chalk dust memories smudge the years, but stay. Every wrong and every right still graze me to this day. If I could raise my hand again and ask what matters most, I'd thank those days for teaching me what they never wrote. Chalk dust and memories ain't clean, ain't clear, but they still outline the shape of how I ended up here. Bell rings once, then fades away, but the lesson stays. Dirt on knees, pockets full, nails bent, dreams still new.
Morning sun on borrowed clothes, childhood dreams in overalls. Childhood dreams in overalls, too big, too small. Wore 'em proud, wore 'em thin, didn't know we had it all. Closet holds a different size, mirror shows some borrowed time. Still feel that loose thread pulling me back then. Funny how the things we wore still fit the soul. Chasing clouds behind the shed, naming stars above the fence. Thought the world was just this farm, safe inside my daddy's arms. Childhood dreams and overalls, sunburned and tall. Every hope had open seams, ready for it all. If I could button up again that fearless skin, I'd walk out just like I did, with nothing but a grin. Those childhood dreams and overalls still call my name, reminding me the truest plans don't ever change. If I could button up again that fearless skin, I'd walk out just like I did, with nothing but a grin. Those childhood dreams and overalls still call my name, reminding me the truest plans don't ever change. Folded now, but not gone. Dreams still wear 'em all along. Count to 10, don't turn around. Straw in hair, boots on ground. Holding breath till voices break, hide and seek in the hay balers. Barn feels bigger when it's quiet. Dust don't laugh the way it did. I step slow where we once ran, still here ready or not. Funny how the waiting part hits the heart. Hide and seek in the hay bale, sun slipping low. Winning wasn't being found, it was not going home. Footsteps close, I'd bite my grin. Hey, it
flesh on my shins and skin. We'd switch sides, bend the rules, just to stretch the afternoon. Hide and seek in the hay bales, hearts beating loud. Learn how quiet can be brave in a world of sound. If I ever miss the kid who didn't rush the day, I remember hiding just long enough to want to stay. Those hide and seek hay belly days still call me slow, saying some of life's best moments happen unseen, you know. Counting stops, laughter fades, game lives on in hay.
Bells on Sunday morning ring slow across the field, I'm calling hearts that need forgiving, saying things we never hear. I sit alone in the second pew, same old hymn, different view. Hands more tired, hair more gray, still praying the same old way. Church bells on Sunday morning sound like home to me. Every note a reminder of who I tried to be. Mama pressed my Sunday shirt, Daddy parked behind the line. I swung my feet above the floor, learning grace before my time. Didn't know those wooden doors were teaching me what matters more. Church bells on Sunday morning ringing loud and clear. When I wander far, they still find my ear. If heaven's got a waiting room, I know what it sounds like there. Soft bells and whispered amens floating through the air. Church bells on Sunday morning don't judge, they just remind. No matter how far I've fallen, grace still keeps time. Bells fade out, world moves on, but faith still hums soft and strong.
Yellowed smile, corners bent, light caught still in 79, slid between a prayer and amen, a Polaroid. Sunday sun through stained glass blue. I don't kneel the way I used to, but I open up that book again, and there you are. Funny how the holiest things don't say a thing. A Polaroid in the Bible pages, smiling back, prove that love once lived right here in between the cracks. Church steps after morning rain, lace dress, daddy's hand. Someone said, hold still a sec, and froze that day. A Polaroid in the Bible pages, time can't fade. It keeps the faith in ordinary days safe. If I ever lose my way or doubt what's true, I find that picture tucked away, and I remember you. Soft, the light turns low, picture stays wherever I go. Crickets hum in a tired key. Hay dust floats where the shadows lean. Night slows down, holds his breath before the stories all get said. Lantern light on the barn wall flickers big, then fades to small. Every sway, every fall shows me where I came from. I stand here longer than I planned, this gate, but this glow still knows my name. Funny how a simple flame can make the night feel safe. Grandpa's laugh, a coffee cup, boots by the door, sleeves rolled up, counting stars, lying back, learning quiet in the dark. Lantern light on the barn wall keeps a ghost from feeling cold. Every truth I couldn't say still hangs here in the glow. When the wind starts talking low and doubt comes creeping in, I borrow that old steady flame to find myself again. That lantern light on the barn wall don't burn bright but burns long. Teaches me the dark ain't wrong when you know where you belong. Wick burns down, night moves on, but the light stays strong. Morning rain on red clay ground, barefoot tracks go weaving round. Sun comes up, dries what it can, leaves a mark on every man. Footprints in the red clay don't wash clean away. Every step I ever took still knows my name. Road looks paved where dirt once ran, same old hill, a different plan. I slowed down where I used to race, let the past set my pace. Funny how the ground still sees who we're trying to be. We run hard till our legs are sore, leave our prints by the creek bank shore. Didn't know the earth would keep every promise made in leaf. Footprints in the red clay, side by side and crossed. Every fall, every stand shows what it cost. If I ever doubt the road or wonder where I've been, I look down at where I started and remember when. Those footprints in the red clay ain't stuck in yesterday. They're the map that leads me home when I'm lost my way. Rain moves on, earth stays red, steps fade slow, but live. Turned up soil, evening chill, fence posts lean by their will. Names we spoke, then laid aside, where the roots and silence hide. Buried by the fence row, no one looks around. Some things don't need a marker to stay in the ground. I walk the line where weeds still grow, count the steps from long ago. Don't say much, just let it be. Ground remembers more than me. Funny how the dirt still knows what the heart won't show. Daddy said some things don't last, dug that hole and turned his back. I was young, I didn't ask, just learned how silence acts. Buried by the fence row with prayers we never said. Some truths live their whole damn lives between the living and the dead. If the plow ever hits that spot and brings it all to light, I hope the sun knows how to hold what we're buried out of sight. But buried by the fence row, ain't shame it's time, just a chapter laid to rest on the far side of the line. Wind goes still, crows don't sound, fence row keeps the ground. Sparks climb up to a midnight sky, pine smoke curls as the daylight dies. Boots in a circle, no need to speed. Night knows what we need. Campfire nights long ago, where the truth burns slow. Every light, every scar felt closer under the stars. I strike a match just now and then for the quiet more than the flame. Same old stories still show up when the world gets loud again. Funny how a simple fire can light the whole inside. Bent tin cups and off-key songs, passing secrets all night long. Talking brave, dreaming wide, swearing we never say goodbye. Campfire nights long ago taught us more than we were told. Every spot touched the dark, left a mark on who we'd grow. If I could sit there one more time with smoke in my eyes and hope in my chest, I'd thank that fire for showing me how to feel at rest. Those campfire nights of long ago ain't ashes, just a glow. Still they warm me when I'm cold, still they teach me what I know. Stars hold on, night still hums that song. Digging, talking wooden walls, afternoon light on crochet shawls. Every second learn to stay in Grandma's house. Grandma's clock still ticking, same old sound, keeps the past right where it was, safe and found. Houses quiet, keys in hand. I don't visit like I planned, but that clock still counts me in when I step back. Funny how the slowest things mean everything. Sunday naps and lemon tea, stories told repeatedly. I'd watch that hand go round and round, thinking time was ours. Grandma's clock still ticking the years, measuring the love we had, not the fears. If I ever rush the day or wish the hours gone, I remember how she smiled, said, "Child, it's just moving on." Grandma's clock's still ticking inside my chest. best. Tick, then tock, the house stands still. Time keeps love, and always will.
Count to 10, don't turn around. Straw in hair, boots on ground. Holding breath till voices break. Hide and seek in the hay bales. Barn feels bigger when it's quiet. Dust don't laugh the way it did. I step slow where we once ran. Still here, ready or not. Funny how the waiting part hits the heart. Hide and seek in the hay bales. Sun slipping low. When it wasn't being found, it was not going home. Footsteps close, I'd bite my grin. I itch on my shins and skin. We'd switch sides, bend the rules, just to stretch the afternoon. Hide and seek in the hay bales. Hearts beating loud. Learn how quiet can be brave in a world of sound. If I ever missed the kid who didn't rush the day, I remember hiding just long enough to want to stay. Those hide and seek hay battle days still call me slow, saying some of life's best moments happen unseen, you know. Counting stops, laughter fades, game lives on in hay. Wind whispers through the old backyard. Quilt flutters in the morning sun. Grandma's quilt on the line, patch by patch, stitch by stitch. Colors faded, edges worn, yet every square still tells a story rich. I remember her humming softly, rocking chair creaking slow, while the morning light danced over seams and the autumn leaves would blow. Oh, that quilt on the line,
every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Running through the yard with bare feet, chasing shadows in the sun. We'd hide beneath the quilt's folds, laughing, pretending we'd won. The smell of cotton and warmth of home etched deep in my mind. Moments like these in the quiet wind are treasures hard to find. The quilt may fray, the colors fade, but her love remains in every thread she made. Hanging now for the world to see, a symbol of home and who I'll always be. Oh, that quilt on the line, holding memories tight. Every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Even in the wind, her love lingers, stitched into every fold. Her love lingers, stitched into every fold.